All right, I just want to talk about my exercise bike here. It's the Proform 405 SPX, and it's been great so far. We've had it, I think, we're going on a year now. There's a little bit of assembly when you put it together, not too hard, pretty easy. If you got a little bit of mechanical ability, if not, you might want to have them set it up when they bring it. It comes from Costco. We got it on sale. The only alteration I did to the bike was it came with this inhuman seat. This thing is painful. Everybody in the house that rode the bike when we first got it did not like this seat at all. So I went down to Walmart and bought the old classic Schwinn full-size seat, and that solved the problem for the uncomfortability of the bike's seat. But when you get it, replace the seat, because this seat is just horrible. Okay, now the adjustments on here are real easy. You just turn the knob, and then once you get it turned out far enough, you can just pull it, and you can adjust the height of the bars, the in and out of the seat, the height of the seat. I mean, it's pretty easy, but make sure you tighten them back up to the right there. And then you have your as you can see, it's been quite well used by the family here. Your tension control here. It's a great little knob here just to turn up your tension. Get it to where you feel some resistance. It'll give you a good workout, good 20-25 minute workout. It's awesome. I mean, there's no scream, there's nobody screaming at you telling you to work harder or go faster, so you're gonna have to be at your own pace, because this is a cost-effective bike. It's up to you if you're gonna work out. Anyway, let's say we go to the console here. Now the console has a couple of functions, and this arrow is gonna tell you, and you can read the manual. I'm pretty bare basic, and so is the rest of the family. We just reset it. You'll see it here, hold that button, there's the reset. Resets to 0, you start pedaling. You do your 20-25 minutes, 30 minutes, an hour, whatever you do, just make sure that you have some tension, I go over here, and the teenagers have been on there for, 20 minutes, and I check it, and there's just no tension at all on the bike, and they're just pedaling away for doing nothing, watching TV. But that's not good. So you need to make sure that they understand they need to put some tension on it. The pedals are awesome. A regular sandal, like a Tava or something, will not fit in there unless you adjust it. But slippers, you can just wear slippers, put it on. I would not recommend being barefoot riding this thing with a barefoot in there. But just you could use your house shoes, put them on, sit there, watch TV, and ride the bike. It's a great little bike. It puts up a good resistance, and you're good to go. Now to move it around, everybody was lifting from the back. They were lifting from the back, trying to move this thing around, and I found out the secret on it. It doesn't say in the manual, but the secret is you grab these bars here and that one over there on this side, or I'm gonna have to grab here in the center just to show you. But then you put your foot on the bottom and just lean back till it's on the rollers. And as you can see, it's on the rollers here. And now I can go across the world with this thing, easy as can be. Easy as can be. So that's another trick that you have to learn yourself, or you just learn from me. That's how you move it around. But the bike overall, for a year, it's rock solid. It's a good bike. The only thing I had a problem with was the manual, and I'll talk about that in just a second here. I didn't have an English manual. Nothing against foreign languages, but I needed an English manual to how to put it together and how to understand it, so I had to go online, and I'll show that in just a second here. But overall, the bike's been fantastic, except for the seat. Change that sucker out, man, because this thing is not human. Well, another thing that happened was the manual I got was in Spanish. So I had to go online so I could review the manual, and it's basically, I just typed in the model number, 405 SPX, user's manual, and it came right up. So it's there, how to operate, how to assemble, how to put it together, because there is some assembly, like I said. And you know, you get to the instructions of how to operate. It's pretty bare basic, setting your modes and stuff like that. I just use the simple features, just turn it on, clear it out, and do my 20-25 minutes at a good speed, good pace, tightness, you know. Overall, just basically a great little bike. I enjoy it, and you should give it a try. For the price, under 300 bucks at Costco, you know, typically on sale a lot. You just have to watch it. It's a good solid workout bike. So that's all I can say. Good luck, God bless, and take care.